Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold drop 0.7% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The US stock indexes fell and the dollar rose after strong jobs data last week suggested the Federal Reserve will hike interest rates in May, while the yen weakened after Japan's new central bank governor vowed to maintain ultra-loose policy. Coinbase and MicroStrategy are among the names making big moves as Bitcoin rose more than 4% to top $29,200 for the first time since June 2022. Coinbase is up 5.5%, and MicroStrategy has gained more than 6%. Global shipments of personal computers fell by 29% in the first quarter of 2023 due to weak demand, excess inventory, and a deteriorating macroeconomic climate, with Apple taking the largest hit, according to market research.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 23:50 GMT. The US USDA WSDE report at 1600 hours GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.